Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs with tomatoes, an incredibly easy and delicious method perfect for any meal. We will start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 ripe tomato, and a few basic pantry staples. Make sure your cooking area is ready with a good non-stick pan and a spatula. Then, slice your tomato into thin, even rounds, preparing them for the pan. Now, let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat this over medium heat until it shimmers gently. Carefully arrange your sliced tomatoes in a single layer in the hot pan. Let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to soften slightly and release some of their delicious juices, creating a perfect base for our eggs. With your tomatoes perfectly softened, it is time for the stars of our dish. The eggs. Gently crack 2 eggs directly over the tomatoes in the pan. Be sure to space them out a little. Immediately season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set and the yolks are cooked to your desired runniness. And just like that, your delicious fried eggs with tomatoes are ready. Carefully slide them from the pan onto a serving plate. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish your dish with some chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or chives. This simple yet satisfying meal is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Enjoy every warm, flavorful bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.